Printing 100% polyester moisture wicking garments like these can be the most challenging garments when it comes to the dye of the shirt bleeding into your ink. I'm Mike from Texsource, and I'm going to show you how to do it. A lot of companies that are printing sport teams for the BSN network are having trouble with the one-stroke Core 24 colors bleeding when they cure their garments. I must admit, Union Ink's new UPLC Low Cure series and its 24 BSN sanctioned colors have knocked it out of the park. Let's print this bright gold, which is also Pantone 1235. Before putting this ink on the press, you're going to want to stir it right into the bucket. If you put this on some high-speed drill, because of its low cure nature, you can actually create enough friction to start curing this ink, as it cures between the 250 and 290 degree temperature range. All of these Sport Victory inks are meant to flash print directly onto the garment. In other words, I'm not going to underbase this with white, just simply flash print the gold directly on this Royal 100% polyester. Give it a quick flash. I can tell with just the first coat down through this 110 mesh, it's already looking pretty opaque. So this second coat is really going to make this gold stand out. This bright gold is exactly that, super bright and opaque. Remember, the max temp you want to cure this ink at is 290 degrees, so set your conveyor and dwell time accordingly. And there it is, fully cured. Now, to give you an idea of what happens when you overcure this ink or any low bleed ink, I set the temperature to 330 degrees on the conveyor. And as you can see, we had some blistering going on with the ink. That is a sure sign of overcuring your ink. So be careful, do testing before you make your run, but I'm sure that you'll love this ink because it is super opaque and it looks and feels great on the garment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.